Okay, are you ready to go on to the next page? Here we go. So, we're looking on page 40, and we're going to look at our sentences this time. So, let's try reading them together. Here's number 1. Do all countries have the same kinds of food? Do all countries have the same kinds of food? No, they don't. Korean food and Japanese food are different. So, do they have food? They have food. Korea has food, and Japan has food. But the kinds of food we have are different. Korean food is like this, and Japanese food is like this. So, they're different kinds of food. Okay, let's go to number 2. Do all countries have the same kind of traditional outfits? Do all countries have the same kind of traditional outfits? No, they don't. Chinese people wear qipao and Koreans wear hanbok. So here we see Korea, here's the taegukgi, and she's wearing a hanbok. And here we see China's flag, and she's wearing a qipao. So they're traditional clothes, but they're different. Oh, do all countries have the same kinds of etiquette? Do they have the same manners? No, they don't. Americans shake hands, but Koreans bow to greet people. So here we go again. Here's the Korean flag, and we bow when we greet people when we say hello. But here's the American flag, and when they say hello, they shake hands. So their customs are different. Oh, remember this? Do all countries have the same accents? No, they don't. Each country has a unique accent. The sounds of how they speak sound different even if they're saying the same language. So let's listen one more time. We'll go over here.
Banana.
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 Tomato.
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 Let's go over here. What's that?
Cookie.
Biscuit.
Biscuit.
Biscuit, cookie, it's the same.
Candy.
Sweets.
Lollies.
Wow, they have a different way to say all of them.
Sneakers.
Trainers.
Runners.
Bell pepper.
Pepper.
Capsicum.
French fries.
Chips.
Hot chips.
Hot chips, I've never heard that
Pants.
before.
Trousers.
Pants.
Underwear.
Underpants.
Undies.
Undies.
Sweater.
Jumper.
Jumper.
Flashlight.
Torch.
Torch.
Wow, so did you hear all the different accents? Maybe if you travel around Korea, you'll hear different accents in Korea too. Okay. Let's go to number 5. We see these pictures again, but what does this say? Do all countries have the same cultural traditions? Do all countries have the same cultural traditions? No, they don't. They have different cultural traditions because they have different histories. What does this mean? Well, we know what a tradition is. It's something we've done from a long time ago. And that could be a custom, like bowing. Bowing is a custom in Korea. Shaking hands is a custom in America. But it's something that people did from a long, long time ago. So it's also called a tradition. And it's cultural. It means it's from that place or that country. So in Korea, people bow. And do you know why they bow? They bow to show that they like the other person and they respect the other person. It means that they want to listen to them and be nice to them. In America, Shaking hands means the same thing, but in America, and not just America, but in the United Kingdom, well, they used to carry swords everywhere. And it was to show that I will use my hand to shake your hand and not use my sword. And that's why they shake hands. So it's happened from a long time ago to show that you want to be friendly. Oh, here's number 6. It says, do all provinces have the same kinds of food? Do all the provinces have the same kinds of foods? No, they don't. Some provinces have salty food, while other provinces don't. Oh, well, some provinces have very salty food, while other provinces don't. But that's not all. Even in Korea, each province has special foods. So we can see in Pyongyang, naengmyeon is very popular. That's where it's from. And, well, what else do we have? Galbi. Galbi is from Seoul in Gyeonggi-do. And then, apples. Apples are very popular in Gyeongju. And kalguksu is very popular in Daejeon. That's where it's from. So these are different places where food is from. So the provinces have different foods. They are each unique. Okay, next time we're going to do the questions on page 41. So get ready and let's go.